Hello everybody, I'm James and today I'm going to give you a quick walk around tour of our latest used car in stock. This is a 2018 Peugeot 208 signature on the 68 plate, finished in stunning Nimbus grey. You have 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which look stunning. As well as loads of signature badging. The wing mirrors do go in and out when the car is locked and unlocked. And going into the back, it is cloth with this gorgeous blue contrast stitching. The seats do have isofix seating points and manual roll-up windows, which is good if you have any small children, as well as two rear cup holders. Making our way to the rear of the vehicle, you have rear parking sensors, and going into the boot. The boot is massive for this size of a hatchback. On the left hand side you have a light for those cold winter mornings or those really early summer days, and underneath here is your spare wheel and locking wheel nut. It's in the glove box. Going into the car from the driver's side, this 208 signature has done 8,941 miles, but that will rise you to test drives. Start the car, simply put the key in and twist, and no need to put the clutch in. You have steering wheel mounted controls on the right and on the left, and behind the wheel to the left you have your cruise control and speed limiter. 7-inch multifunction touchscreen display. You can connect your phone by Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink and Android Auto using the USB port located below your climate controls. You also have a 12-volt socket outlet down there if you want to plug, say, a dash cam in. Application, so you can see your text messages when you plug your phone in, as well as photos, driving functions, as well as vehicle settings, some system settings and screen configuration. And to use the sat nav you need to plug your phone in. If you are interested in this stunning Peugeot 208 signature, then please just call it 01244 398 600 where one of our sales executives will be able to go into even more detail than what I just went into. Thank you and have a very good day.